Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Calculus, and my name is Genevieve. Today we're going to be making Earl Grey macarons. So the first ingredient is going to be 2 cups of almond flour, then 7.5 cups of powdered sugar. I'm also going to be using 6 egg whites, and then 1/2 cup of granulated cane sugar. We're also going to need 4 bags of Earl Grey for the shells, and then 2 more for the ganache, and then we're going to be needing a bag of chocolate, and then 1 whole cup of heavy whipping cream. So the first step is you're going to pour in your 6 egg whites and then beat on medium and then turning it up to high. Your goal is to create stiff peaks, which is kind of what you see in whipped cream. And you're gradually going to incorporate the sugar. I did it in 3 different parts, and this is the last one. And while you're doing that, you could sift in your dry ingredients, which is the tea bags, the powdered sugar, and the almond flour. You can go ahead and throw away the large chunks. So now you're going to be folding in the wet mixture with the dry mixture, and you do this by scraping the sides and patting it in the center. You kind of want to do this about 36 times or so, or you just got to eyeball it. This step is actually the hit or miss for macarons. If you fold it too much and it's too liquidy, then the macarons won't rise or create the feet. And same thing if you undermix it, and you want to create these ribbons. The next step is to pipe the macarons onto a baking sheet in perfect circles. The baking sheet really helps, and I got it off of Amazon. Then you're going to bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes on the bottom rack. While they bake, you can work on your chocolate ganache. So I took the bag of chocolate and I used a double boiling method to let it melt so it wouldn't burn. And before the chocolate is completely smooth, I take it off of the heat because it's still going to cook in the glass bowl. And I keep mixing until it's completely smooth on the tabletop. And then afterwards, you can start on your Earl Grey mixture, which is heavy whipping cream and then 2 tea bags. Just gonna mix that and let it boil, then let it simmer. It's gonna get really thick and turn into that consistency. Then you're gonna mix those 2 together. And finally, when your macarons are done, you're gonna let them cool, take them out piece by piece, match them up, pipe in your ganache, and then sandwich them in between 2 macaron cookies, and they're ready to eat. They were really good if you really like tea and Earl Grey. Even Dom thinks so. Alright, thanks guys.